Imagine a world where reading glasses become a thing of the past, and surgery isn't the only solution for long-sightedness. This groundbreaking idea is closer than you think, thanks to a revolutionary study that has the potential to change how we address presbyopia, a condition affecting hundreds of millions worldwide. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. What if the answer lies in something as simple as eye drops? Presbyopia, the age-related difficulty in focusing on close objects, has long been managed with glasses or surgery. However, many find glasses cumbersome, and surgery isn't a viable option for everyone. Now, researchers have developed a non-invasive alternative, eye drops that could offer freedom from these limitations. And this is the part most people miss. The drops, used just twice a day, have shown remarkable results in improving near vision, with effects lasting up to 2 years. Presented at the European Society of Cataract and Refractive Surgeons, ESCRS, in Copenhagen, the study involved 766 participants in Argentina. These individuals used the drops upon waking and again 6 hours later. The drops contain 2 key ingredients: pilocarpine, which constricts the pupils and adjusts the eye's lens for better focus, and diclofenac, an anti-inflammatory drug. Participants were divided into 3 groups, receiving drops with varying pilocarpine concentrations, 1%, 2%, or 3%. The results were striking. In the 1% pilocarpine group, nearly all 148 participants could read 2 or more additional lines on an eye chart. The 2% group saw 69% of 248 patients read 3 or more extra lines, while the 3% group achieved even better results, with 84% of 370 patients reading 3 or more lines. Dr. Giovanna Bonozzi, director of the Center for Advanced Research for Presbyopia in Buenos Aires, highlighted the rapid and sustained improvements, noting that patients experienced an average 3.45 Jager line improvement just 1 hour after the first dose. Remarkably, 99% of the 1% group achieved optimal near vision. While the findings are promising, here's the controversial part. Some experts argue that broader, long-term studies are needed before this treatment can be widely recommended. Professor Burkhard Dick, president-elect of ESCRS, emphasized the need for multi-center research to confirm safety and effectiveness. Common side effects such as temporary dim vision, irritation, and headaches were reported, but were generally well tolerated. This innovation raises a thought-provoking question. Could eye drops truly replace glasses or surgery for long-sightedness? While the study offers hope, it also invites debate. What do you think? Is this the future of vision correction, or are there still too many unknowns? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective.